It's here! It's here!
It's here. Hi, I am Clements, and inside this box is Jazza's Ultimate Creativity Collection. The latest art boxes from Jazza. Yes, boxes. You may remember my previous video in July 2019 on Jazza's Jazzy art box, Jazza's first art box. It was a pretty big video on the channel, and for the channel, I made this little artwork using the supplies in the box, which, as you know, spawned this studio space. Well, he's back with not one, but 3 art boxes. Jazza's incredible Inky box, Jazza's Super Sculpture box, and Jazza's Mega Mini box. And if you buy all 3, they come as Jazza's Ultimate Creativity Collection. Now, right away, if you are at all interested in getting these boxes for yourself, head on over to Smart Art, link in the description. They're still available until the end of January, so be sure to get one before they are gone forever. All right, let's open this thing. Where is my knife? Okay, got my knife here. It blades in it. Does it seem like I'm stalling? Okay, yeah. Well, yes, I'm actually I'm stalling a little bit. I'm a little worried. I mean, I've only seen a very few number of people having issues with their boxes, and it's very tiny things, just like a broken pen or a missing item. And Jazza and Smart Art were there to fix it right away. But the weight of this box seems very odd. I feel like it should weigh more. But I guess the only way to know is to open it up. Here we go. Okay, I'm pretty excited. What? What? That's not really what I was expecting. Hello? Surely it's supposed to be larger than this. I mean, his first box wasn't that. Ooh, when did that change size? What is happening? I have that on camera. I have proof that that was not that small. You're gonna see. I have proof. Playback mode. Play. What? What is that? No. There's not a tiny artwork in. There's a tiny artwork in there. No! This is a different. Well, I mean, surely there's not actual tiny art supplies in here. There's tiny art supplies in here. Well, I guess I'll throw on the macro lens and we'll do an unboxing. A tiny unboxing. All right, well, we have a guide booklet. I don't know how I'm supposed to read any of that, but it's a nice guide booklet showing you how to use all of the supplies. You have some very colorful ink bottles, I guess. I mean, I can write like a word with each bottle, I suppose. Probably enough ink for a word. A box of pearlescent powders. You know, a large amount. Look how many are in there. A notebook. a tiny little, actually that's really kind of an adorable, tiny little notebook. That's actually super cute. With a miniature pack of Durabrite paper. Again, just I can't believe how much paper comes in this box. And look how much paper there is. And I suppose this is a calligraphy pen. I mean, how could there possibly be? There's a teeny tiny calligraphy pen in there. What is happening? I mean, it can't really work. Okay, the tiny calligraphy pen actually writes. Why wouldn't it? Why wouldn't it? Let's see what's inside the super sculpture box. Another microscopic guide booklet. We have some monster clay, some cos clay, some little pots of paint, I guess. Yeah, a little packet of armature wire there. You got your 10 pack of Sculpey. Just think of all the things you can make with all of that clay. And then all your pastels. Oh, and we got our acrylic roller for rolling out all your Sculpey. And it appears to be the sculpture box. Well, the only one left is the Mega Minis. Let's see what microscopic minis could be in here. Got another guide booklet. Suppose a miniature guide booklet could help you make miniatures somehow. Got a tiny pack of milliput here, which oh my god, it of course it has tiny milliput in it. Got the Jazza Striker minis. Man, these things are so small I can't even see them. Holy cow. The Apocalyptic Ghost mini. Holy cow, those are small. It's the Army Painter kit. Oh my gosh. Look at that little adorable paint palette. Oh, it's so tiny. And we got packets of stuff. Some white sand. Tiny little bag of green grass. Bag of cork. Bag of dirt. We got our moss. We got a nice little cutting mat. Got a pack of foam and some cork board there. Well, I guess that's it. That's the ultimate creativity collection. I mean, I don't really know what I'm going to do with any of this. Make art for ants?
He said it! He said it!
It'd be funny if it wasn't $365. I guess at least there's a signed print. Oh wait, what's there? Oh, yeah. Here it is. The teeny tiny signed print. Wait, there's video of Jazza signing these prints, and I know for a fact they were not this small. Here we go.
Are you kidding me?
Oh no! I was worried this might happen. I got the Australian version.